Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw this cute baby shark to celebrate Baby Shark's 10th year anniversary. But before we start, I wanted to share this beautiful box that was sent to me by Ping Fong. So I was pretty excited to be selected as one of the people to get this beautiful gift box. And so I wanted to show it to you today and see, it's really well made, and they've tried to make it look like an actual record player, which is really cool. And so this also kind of moves too right here. And I'm going to open it up and show you. And sorry, my camera's up there, so I can't show it to you that well, but I'm going to try my best here. And this is the lid part where the vinyl is. It's kind of held in this place right here. And then at the bottom right here is a sticker and some info. And then there's this part where this slides out. And this is like a little keychain, vinyl keychain right here. So if I put this on my phone, it's going to direct me to the site where I can listen to the vinyl songs. And then of course there's this cute little thing right here. This is like the record spinner, and inside, ta-da! It's a cute little baby shark that I'm going to be drawing today. So I guess what you do is you put this, I'm going to try my best here, bear with me as I put this back. And I need to get this piece right here. The most important piece is this right here, of course, is the vinyl. So I'm going to pull it out, and there's this little mirror right here. I guess you can put this sticker on here to take a selfie if you want. Not going to do that today. And so I'm going to pull this out, and right here is the vinyl. So this is really nice. It's actually this clear, and it has this liquid that sloshes inside just like water. So cool, right? I mean, they really went all out. And then I guess you can put it here and close it up so it can stand. And then, like I said, the phone, you can put it here, and then this will play it. It would direct you to the site. But lucky for me, I wanted to show you, I actually have a vinyl player, so I'm going to bring that out and play some songs from here to show you. Okay, so I'm back with this record player that I have. It's not the best, but I think it'll work for what we need to do today. And so I'm just going to go ahead and try to play this. There's a side A and a side B. So let's work with side A first and see what we can get here. And let's see, we're going to put this on. It's down already, and then let's turn it on. Oh wait, let me put this baby shark up here, and here we go.
Hey, I go by the name of Baby Shark. I'm with my family. Hey, welcome to our show.
Do. Hey! Hope you love this. This is so cool, right?
Let's go! Baby, Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, Grandpa. We are the Shark family. Baby Shark.
Do. Sorry, I couldn't help that. I had to do that. Okay, let's see if we move it maybe here. Oh, Detective Shark. Okay, let's see let's see here. Let's see if we can do side B and see what happens. But I just love how this water swirls in here, this liquid. It's so cool. And let's go for side B.
I can do anything and you can do anything. We all have different
So I just put this to my phone right here. And I just wanted to show you, it takes me to this, and then I can actually watch Baby Shark. Oh no, right here, the vinyl playlist. And it'll actually just play. It'll take me to YouTube. And it will play. I guess it plays all the songs that are on the playlist right here on this vinyl. So that's really cool too. You can do it either way. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this really cool gift box to celebrate Baby Shark's 10th year anniversary. So let's get drawing. I really hope you love this drawing, and I hope you love me watching me unbox and showing you this beautiful vinyl here. So let's get drawing our baby shark. To draw this cute baby shark, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a really big circle. There, got one circle in, and I'm going to go across, say about this wide, and draw another one. Second one is always a bit harder because you have to try to match the first one, right? Okay, so there. Now my two big circles in, I'm going to come inside and we're going to draw another circle towards this edge more. So I'm going to try to follow the original, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little curve and then go ahead and finish my circle. So that's for the little highlight. And then let's see here. And if you want to follow the original, there's a bunch of like little highlights and stars. So I'm just going to do that really quickly here. Maybe like a little burst, and I'll try to do as lightly as possible. And a little star here. And let's see here, another highlight here, and then another bigger one right here. So just to show you how what's inside, but you don't have to, definitely you can just do it when you're coloring. And let's go ahead and do the same thing over here. So closer to this edge and about right here, just going to go ahead and draw that curve again and draw my circle. There, and then once again we need to do the same thing. So a little starburst here, and then a star right here. There, something like that. And then let's see here. You know, it's brown, but I'm just going to color it in just so you can see the final drawing a little bit better. I think that will help. Actually, I should have brought a brown marker with me, huh? Sorry, totally forgot. But definitely just color this part in brown. There, and same thing here, really quick. Okay, there. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and come in between the eyes and say about right here, this is my center. I'm going to go to the left a little bit and just draw this little drop shape for the nostrils. And same thing over here. Then we need to go ahead and, you know what, let's draw the mouth later. Let's go ahead and draw this mochi shaped head. So I'm going to, let's say, let's say come to the center of the eye. I'm just going to go about right here, come out about this wide, and same thing on the other side, approximately about this much on the other side. And let's go ahead and draw a big curve over for the head. So I always call this like a mochi shaped head because it reminds me of a mochi. It's a little bit narrower at the top. So we're just going to bring it all the way down to here. You can always just draw the head shape first if you're more comfortable doing that, and then putting the eyes. And then let's go ahead and come around here. It's going to be a little bit wider, but I like to draw the eyes first and then draw the head shape around it so that it's just a little bit more accurate, so I know how big to make my eyes and where to put them. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and finish this mochi head. So I'm just going to bring it down about there, and we're going to flatten it out towards the bottom. So say about right here, and connect it. This is always the hardest part, is to draw the head shape. Okay, so there. Then of course at the top in the center we need to draw. So I'm just going to find my center, come up about right here. And we're going to round this off to draw the fin right in the center. Very important, right? Because this is a shark that we're drawing here. And then of course we need to come underneath the eyes, and I'll say at the same level as the bottom of the eye, about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, drag that across, same thing, and I'm going to draw this wave. So I'm going to curve a little bit, and then as I come near the eye, I'm going to start to dip down, and it's going to go lowest right here like a big smile, and go back up, back to that point that we created. Create that wave to separate the mouth from the eyes. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come underneath the eye, let's say about right here and here, and I'm going to draw this big curve for this very happy shark. So it's easier this way. Just want to draw this big curve and all the way there. And then of course we have some teeth we need to draw. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to start, and one more here. So the center ones are longer and bigger, and then a smaller one on the side. There. And of course we have to add a star right here for this baby shark, this 10th year anniversary baby shark. And that is it for the head. So now to draw the body. So I'm going to just say about maybe underneath the eye, let's say about right here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space, and same thing over here. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just trying to center it a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw a curve for the body. So about right here. It's kind of like drawing a mermaid. We're going to curve it so it comes down to the tail. And we're going to sweep it over to this side. And same thing here. Sweep it down. And then about right here, let's go ahead and draw a tail. It's kind of like drawing a crescent shape. Round off the tip. Down, round off the tip again. And connect. And then of course we have these arms we need to draw, so fin arms. So let's say about right, let's see here, a little bit higher, maybe in this point right here. I'm just going to drag that across, so approximately the same on the other side. And right here we're going to just draw a curve going upwards a little bit, round off the tip, and then we're going to bring it all the way down to meet this part. So same thing over here, just go up a little bit with a curve, round off that tip, and connect. And then we need to draw the inside. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and curve all the way here, and same thing here. And connect. And the last thing we need to do, of course, I'm going to add a heart, let's say right here in the center lightly, to make it my Draw So Cute baby shark. And that is pretty much it. And I really hope you love this drawing of this cute baby shark to celebrate the 10th anniversary. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.